Facebook has been careless with the user data for past few years, but after the recent Cambridge Analytica scandal, it's on everyone's mind. For starters, Facebook stocks are down to what it was on July 2017. Elon Musk has also deleted Tesla and SpaceX Facebook page, and the hashtag #DeleteFacebook is trending all over Twitter. I was never a fan of Facebook, but after the tweet from Dylan McKay went viral, where he showed how he found his year-old data, including the complete logs of incoming and outgoing calls and SMS messages. So this led me wondering how much data Facebook has on me, and this is what I found out. Going to the settings page, I click on the option to download a copy of my data. The process took somewhat 40 odd minutes. Usually it's quite less, but given that their servers are busy these days, I guess that's okay. In the profile section, I can see quite a lot of personal details that has been collected over the years, but I get it, it's a social networking site. Moving on to the contact info, which reveals all the contacts that I've ever stored in my phone since the day I joined Facebook. The funny thing is, most of these contacts I don't even have it on my smartphone. So if you ever lose a contact, you know at least where to look. But on a serious note, I quickly googled this issue and found out thankfully Facebook do allow you to delete those contacts, so that's a relief. Going to the activity section, you can see everything that you have ever posted on Facebook since the day you have joined. But the most shocking part was the messages. Facebook stores your entire message history, including the pictures that you have ever shared. And wait for it. Even if your friend has unfriended you on Facebook, all the messages will still be there. This not only raises privacy concern, but is also downright creepy. Then there are other things like under the security tab, Facebook keep a log of every device that you've ever used to log into the Facebook. This also includes your IP address, so if you have ever been to some place that you don't want others to know about, well guess what, Facebook knows everything. In the ad section, you can see which advertiser processed your contact information and what ads have you clicked. A close analysis of these ads can easily tell a lot about a person. In a nutshell, Facebook does know a lot about you, sadly more than the people around you. So what can you do about it? Well, the only way to protect your privacy on Facebook is by not using it. However, even that's not 100% secure. Your Facebook friend might be leaking your data anyway. That being said, it's not practical to quit Facebook. So what is the best you can do while staying there? To start off, you can install browser extensions like NoScript, which will stop ads from tracking you outside Facebook. Next, you need to revoke access for all the applications and games on Facebook. And finally, this is what I did. Using the Google Chrome extension, Social Book Post Manager, I deleted everything from my Facebook feed. And then I use another extension to unfollow every friend and pages on Facebook. So basically, your Facebook feed is completely empty, there's not even an ad. If someone views your profile, there's nothing there as well. Chrome extensions like NoScript will stop the tracking, and also no application and game has access to your data. So this is the closest you can get without quitting Facebook. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section below. As always, it's Mrinal signing off, and thanks for watching.